add p brackets p minus q comma q brackets q minus r and r bracket r minus p. To add these expressions, we should do it in this way. See, first you write this, that is p times p minus q. Now they told us to add, so you put plus. Second expression, q times q minus r plus third expression, r times r minus p. Okay, next. Now here you should open up the brackets in this way, that is p into p minus p into q plus, here also we should open up the brackets in this way, that is q into q minus q into r plus, here also we should open up the brackets, r into r minus r into p. Now here p, you write p and the power is sum of the powers you write 1 plus 1 2 minus, here these are not like letters, so you write as it is, plus here q, so write q. Power is add the powers and write, since bases are same, so 1 plus 1 2 minus, these are unlike letters, so write as it is, plus here r, you write r, power, add the powers and write, since bases are same, so 1 plus 1 2 minus, these are different letters, so you write as it is. Now we should simplify this expression. Let us simplify. First we write square terms. P square anywhere do we get? No. So write as it is. Next square term, q square, anywhere else? No. So write that. Next another square term is r square, so you write r square first. Then followed by pq term. Do we have pq term anywhere? No. So you write as it is. Next qr term, anywhere else? No. So you write it down as it is. Next rp term, so you write as it is. So this is our answer. Next, second bit, b1. Now we should add this and this. So that is 2x times z minus x minus y. They told us to add, so put plus this 2y into z minus y minus x. First we should open up the brackets in this way. So we get 2x into z minus 2x into x minus 2x into y. Now here also we should open up the brackets in this way, that is plus 2y into z minus 2y into y minus 2y into x. Okay, we have opened up the brackets, that's it. Next, now here letter 2, x and z are different letters, so as it is you write minus, here the number 2. Now x and x, you get x and the power is, since bases are same, add the powers, 1 plus 1 2 minus number 2, so write 2. X and y are different letters, so you write as it is, plus the number is 2. Y and z are different letters, so write yz minus number 2, y and y, so write y, power is, add the powers and write, so 1 plus 1 2 minus number 2, Letters are different, so you write as it is. Now, first we should write the square term, and the square terms are these. So that is minus 2x square and then minus 2y square. Now let us write this xz term. Do we have anywhere else xz term? No. So let us write this plus 2xz. Next this one minus 2xy. Next yz term. Next finally at last minus 2yx. So this is our answer. From this step to this step, we have rearranged the terms and we got this expression. We just wrote square ones first and the rest of the terms after that. Next, C1. Subtract this from that. Here we have to subtract. While subtracting, we should always write the second expression first. That is 4L times 10n minus 3m plus 2L. They told us to subtract, so negative symbol. Now you should write this 3L times L minus 4m plus 5n. While subtracting, second expression first, minus symbol first expression. Okay, next. Now we should open up the brackets in this way. Here it is plus, here also plus. So plus into plus, plus 4L into 10n. Now plus into minus, minus 4L into 3m. Plus into plus, plus 4L into 2L. Now here also we should open up the brackets in this way. But careful here, we have to multiply with minus 3L. What I mean is minus into plus, minus 3L into L. Now minus into minus, plus 3L into 4m. Minus into plus, minus 3L into 5n. Okay, next. Now here first multiply the numbers. 4 into 10, 40. Letters are different, so as it is you write. Minus 4 into 3, 12. Letters are different, so as it is you write. Plus 4 into 2, 8. Here letters are same, so write L and the power is sum of the powers since bases are same. So 1 plus 1, 2. Minus here only one number 3. Letters are same, so write L, power is add the powers 1 plus 1, 2. Plus numbers 3 into 4, 12. Letters are different, so you write LM. Minus numbers are 3 into 5, 15. Letters are different, so you write LN. Okay. Now here we have ln term. Do we have ln term anywhere else? Yes, here. Now we should look at the numbers before them. Here it is plus 40 and here it is minus 15. So plus 40 minus 15 is plus 25. ln as it is you write. Next. LM term. Do we have LM term anywhere else? Yes, here. Now look at the numbers before them. Minus 12 plus 12. So minus 12 LM plus 12 LM cancel out. Next, L square term. Here also we have L square. Now look at the numbers before them. Plus 8 and minus 3. Plus 8 minus 3 is plus 5. L square as it is. No other terms is left out. So this is our answer. Next, D1. Subtract this from that. So in subtraction, first we should write this. That is 4C minus A plus B plus C. They told us to subtract, so put negative symbol and this entire thing in the brackets. 3A times A plus B plus C minus 2B times A minus B plus C. In this way, we should frame. Subtraction means second term first minus this one you should write in the brackets. Framing like this is your step 1. Next. Now we should open up the brackets here. So here it is plus into minus minus 4C into A plus into plus 4C into B plus into plus 4C into C. Now let us place negative sign as it is. Inside the brackets, let us remove this bracket in this way. So here it is plus into plus 3A into A plus 3A into B plus into plus 3A into C. Now here also let us open up the brackets in this way. So minus into plus minus 2B into A minus into minus plus 2B into B minus into plus minus 2B into C. Okay. Next. Now here it is minus 4 different letters, so you write as it is. Plus 4 different letters, so as it is you write. Plus 4 C and the power is sum of the powers. So 1 plus 1, 2. Now minus here 3. Letters are same, so add the powers. 1 plus 1 you get 2 plus 3. Letters are different, so as it is you write. Plus 3. Letters are different, so as it is you write. Minus 2. Letters are different, so as it is you write. Plus 2. Letters are same, so B, add the powers, we get 2. Minus 2. Letters are different, so as it is you write. Okay. Next. Now here no change. Minus 4AC plus 4BC plus 4C square minus, let us simplify this. Here it is A square term. Do we have anywhere else A square? No. So you write as it is. Next is AB term. Do we have anywhere else AB term? Yes, here. Now look at the number before them. Plus 3 minus 2. Plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1, AB. Next is AC. Do we have AC term anywhere else? No. So you write it down as it is. Next is plus 2B square. So as it is. And BC term is alone, so you write as it is. Okay. Next. Minus 4AC plus 4bc plus 4c square. Now you should open up the brackets in this way. So minus into plus minus 3a square minus into plus minus 1ab minus into plus minus 3ac. Now minus into plus minus 2b square minus into minus plus 2bc. Okay. Now we should simplify it properly. How do we do that? See, first square terms. What I mean is a square term. Here a square is here. Do we have anywhere else a square term? No. So we write that first. Now next square term is b square. Anywhere else b square term? No. So you write that. And next c square term. Only one c square term, so we write that. Okay, done. Next, let us write ab terms. Do we have ab term anywhere else? No. So write that. Minus 1 ab or minus ab same. Next, ac term. Do we have anywhere else ac term? Here. Now see the numbers before them. Minus 4, minus 3. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 ac. Now bc term, let us see. Do we have anywhere else bc term? Yes, here. Now the numbers before them. Plus 4, plus 2. Plus 4 plus 2 is plus 6. bc. No other term is left out. So this is our answer.